The Saraswati English Reader Class 4 Exercise 11 ର question answer ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। The Vizier 1a Did the lion live in the jungle? ସିଂହଟି ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ରହୁଥିଲା କି? Answer yes, the lion lived in the jungle. B Did he kill many animals daily? ସେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଅନେକ ପଶୁମାନଙ୍କୁ ହତ୍ୟା କରୁଥିଲା କି? Answer yes, he killed many animals daily. ସେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଅନେକ ପ୍ରାଣୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ହତ୍ୟା କରୁଥିଲା। C Were all the animals afraid of him? ସବୁ ପ୍ରାଣୀମାନେ ବା ସବୁ ପଶୁମାନେ ତାକୁ ଭୟ କରୁଥିଲେ କି? Answer yes, all the animals were afraid of him. D Did the animals go to him? Literally, did the animals go to him? Answer yes, the animals went to him. E What did they propose? What did they propose? ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ ପ୍ରପୋଜ କଲେ? Answer they proposed to send one animal a day to him for his food. କିମ୍ବା to the lion for his food. If did he agree with them? ସେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଏକମତ ହେଲା କି? Answer yes, he agreed with them. G What was the old hare like? Answer the old hare was clever. H Did he come to the lion very late? Yes, he came to the lion very late. I Was the lion angry? Answer yes, the lion was angry. J Did the hare tell him for his late? Answer yes, the hare told him for his late. Okay. What did the lion want? ସିଂହଟି କ'ଣ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା? Answer the lion wanted to meet a other animal immediately. ହେଲେ where did the hare take him to? Answer the hare took him to a well. Question number N What did he do then? ପରେ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ? Sorry, What did the lion see in the well? ଆଚ୍ଛା, ସିଂହଟି କୂଅରେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲା? Answer the lion saw his reflection in the well. What did he do then? ତାପରେ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲା? Answer then he thought it to be his enemy and jumped into the well and died. Oh, did the animals surprise the hare? Answer yes, the animals surprised the hare. P What do you learn from this story? Answer from this story we learned that knowledge is the source of power.